So what is the synonym word of stone?
Rock.
And what is the synonym word of smart?
Intelligent.
Very good, go. Dishant. Dishant, you will tell me the synonym word of fatal.
My answer is deadly.
And what will be the synonym word of confess?
My answer is admit.
Okay, good. Madhav. What is the synonym word of big?
My answer is large.
And what is the synonym word of small?
Tiny.
Okay, go. Gunjan. Gunjan, you will tell me the synonym word of ignoble.
Low and mean,
Okay. And what is the synonym word of sacred?
holy and pious,
Very good, go. Hitiksha. Hitiksha, better tell me the synonym word of peak.
Top and summit.
And what will be the synonym words of obtain?
Get and gain.
Okay, good, go. Karthik. Karthik, better tell me the synonym word of stop.
Halt.
And what will be the synonym word of show?
Gent.
Present. Okay, good. Nakshita. Nakshita, better tell me the synonym word of aid.
Help.
And what is the synonym word of huge?
Big.
Okay, very good. Arish. Arish, better tell me the synonym word of small.
Little.
And what is the synonym word of cold?
Chilly.
Okay, good. Kaushik, come here. Kaushik, better tell me the synonym word of big.
Vast.
And what is the synonym word of thin?
Lean.
Okay, good. Ansh, what is the synonym word of abduct?
Kidnap.
Okay. Okay, Pradyuman, come here. So Pradyuman, tell me the synonym word of take.
hold,
And what is the synonym word of stray?
toll,
Okay. Okay, Vedita. Beta, today our topic is synonym word. And I am going to ask some words and you will give the answer in the synonym form. So first word is for you, go.
My answer is move.
And second word is child.
My answer is kid.
Okay, go beta. Asjad. Asjad, tell me the synonym word of dark.
My answer is beam.
And what will be the synonym word of cold?
Chilly.
Very good. Aradhya. Aradhya, beta, tell me the synonym word of exit.
My answer is leave.
Leave is the correct answer. And what will be the synonym word of stone?
My answer is row.
Rock. Okay. Aradhya. Aradhya, tell me the synonym word of big.
My answer is large.
And what is the synonym word of good?
My answer is great.
Okay. Raghu. Raghu, beta, tell me the synonym word of rich.
Wealthy.
And happy.
Glad.
Okay, glad. Tabyanshu. What is the synonym word of small?
Little.
And what is the synonym word of soft?
Tender.
Okay, tender is the correct answer. Ayush. Ayush, better tell me the synonym word of reply.
answer,
And what is the synonym word of liberty?
freedom.
Okay. Chirag. Chirag, better tell me the synonym word of aid.
My answer is help.
And what is the synonym word of brave?
My answer is bold.
Okay. Today our topic is synonym words and I am going to ask you some synonym words and you will give the answer. Okay. Your first word is lock.
Want.
Idle.
Lazy.
Okay, good, go. Lakshit. Lakshit, beta, you will tell me the synonym word of false.
Fake,
And hurt.
damage,
Okay, good. Aradhya. Aradhya, beta, tell me the synonym word of ignoble.
Low.
And what is the synonym word of liberty?
Freedom.
Okay. Lovely. What is the synonym word of good?
my answer is fine.
Okay, fine. And next word is go.
My answer is move.
Yes, go. Yes. What is the synonym word of answer?
Reply,
And what is the synonym word of ask?
question,
Okay. Arushi. Arushi, better tell me the synonym word of difference.
disagreement,
And part.
portion,
What is the synonym word of show?
display,
And what is the synonym word of hold?
keep,
Okay. Now Rishabh. What is the synonym word of pray?
Request.
And what is the synonym word of panic?
Fear.
Okay, good. Aryan. What is the synonym word of aid?
Help.
And what is the synonym word of beautiful?
Lovely.
Good. Kaka. Kaka, better tell me the synonym word of kind.
Gentle.
Very good. Thank you. Aryan, come here. Aryan, today our topic is synonym words and I hope you prepare very well.
Yes, sir.
Okay. I am going to ask some words and you will give the answer in the synonym form. So first word for you, liberty.
My answer is independence.
And second word is ignoble.
My answer is mean.
Okay, very good. Harshita. Harshita bete, tell me the synonym word of hard.
My answer is difficult.
And what is the synonym word of new?
My answer is fresh.
Very good. Divakar. Divakar, tell me synonym word of symbol.
My answer is mark.
And what is the synonym word of clever?
My answer is intelligent.
Okay. Dev. Dev bete, tell me synonym word of cry.
My answer is beef.
Okay, go. Dipanshu. Dipanshu, tell me the synonym word of inactive.
My answer is idle.
Okay. And what is the synonym word of damage?
My answer is hurt.
Okay. Yug. Yug bete, what is the synonym word of dark?
My answer is dim.
Okay, go. Chahat. Chahat, tell me synonym word of easy.
My answer is simple.
Okay, go. Shiva. Shiva bete, tell me synonym word of neat.
My answer is clean.
And what is the synonym word of worth?
My answer is value.
Okay, go. Udit. Udit bete, tell me synonym word of uphold.
My answer is support.
And what is the synonym word of vanish?
My answer is depart.
Okay, go. Vasu. Vasu, what is the synonym word of lack?
My answer is need.
Okay, need is the correct answer. And what is the synonym word of lazy?
Slow.
Okay, go. Okay, Lavisha, beta come here. So Lavisha, our today topic is synonym word. And I am going to ask you some words and you will give the answer in synonym form. So first word is for you, gentle.
My answer is kind.
And other word is ancient.
My answer is old.
Okay, very good. Ishika, what is the synonym word of alive?
My answer is living.
And what is the synonym word of better?
My answer is superior.
Okay, very good. Shivi. Shivi, beta, tell me the synonym word of ever.
My answer is always.
And what is the synonym word of mighty?
My answer is power.
Okay, good. Karnika. Karnika, beta, tell me the synonym word of wealth.
My answer is money.
And what is the synonym word of seize?
My answer is arrest.
Okay, good. Priya. Priya, beta, tell me synonym word of timid.
My answer is shy.
And what will be the synonym word of uphold?
My answer is support.
Okay, good. Manvi. Manvi, beta, tell me the synonym word of abhor.
My answer is dislike.
And what is the synonym word of abide?
My answer is wait.
Okay, good. Damni. Damni, beta, tell me synonym word of go.
My answer is move.
And what is the synonym word of child?
My answer is kid.
Okay, good. Sagun, come here, beta. Sagun, beta, tell me the synonym word of fall.
My answer is drop.
And what is the synonym word of near?
My answer is close.
Okay. Now Tarun. Tarun, beta, tell me the synonym word of fresh.
My answer is new.
And what will be the synonym word of give?
My answer is offer.
Very good. Abhi, come here. What is the synonym word of hard?
My answer is tough.
And what is the synonym word of harsh?
My answer is rough.
Okay, go. Aksh, beta, tell me the synonym word of quell.
My answer is calm.
And what will be the synonym word of quarrel?
My answer is fight.
Okay, good. Lucky. Lucky, tell me the synonym word of omit.
My answer is skip.
And what will be the synonym word of perplex?
My answer is confused.
Very good. Divyanshu. Divyanshu, beta, tell me the synonym word of broad.
Wide.
And what is the synonym word of below?
Under.
Very good. Ansh. Ansh, beta, tell me the synonym word of bottom.
My answer is base.
And what is the synonym word of brief?
My answer is short.
Okay, good. Okay, Gaurav, come here, beta. Gaurav, tell me the synonym word of glory.
My answer is flame.
And what is the synonym word of happy?
My answer is joyful.
Okay, very good.